What Git Shop Robux pricing explained what you get for your money. If you landed on Git Shop promising Robux or in-game items at low or zero cost, stop for a moment. Most people assume they're getting a bargain, but here's the truth you must hear. Sites like Git Shop claim to offer large amounts of Robux or special skins to enter the video game Roblox, zero players at minimal cost. The listed price might look free or a small fee, yet you might pay in other ways. What you get: an offer of game currency or items seemingly cheaper than official channels. What you give up or risk: your account safety, personal information, and often the integrity of your game experience. Using non-official currency providers can violate Roblox rules and put you at risk of losing your account or items. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Verify if the site is a legitimate Roblox partner. If not, risk is high. Step 2. Check for hidden costs, tasks, referrals, downloads. Step 3. Calculate your time cost. If you spend hours on tasks for a small item, is that value? Step 4. Prioritize your credentials. If you're asked for your game password, that's a major red flag. You won't believe what happens next if you trade away your login for a deal. You might lose access to your entire account and valuables, and the free item doesn't save you that loss. The surprising truth: the cheapest deal often isn't the best deal when risk is factored in. In conclusion, when it comes to Robux and in-game items, the safest route is through official channels or trusted stores. Cheap offers from unknown sites may cost more than you think. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more gaming risk reviews and what you're really paying for.